Well, hey there, all you lovelies, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. I would like to dedicate this video to my Uncle Mark Brown, and I would also like to thank each and every one of you for watching. I am so honored to have anybody watch me, so thank you, thank you, thank you. And now let's go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. So let's get going. Boxycharm. It's Boxycharm March 2021. So this is what we're doing today. This one's heavy. It's kind of heavy. I remember one thing that I picked, and I'm hoping some other good things that I saw on sneaks for a while back are in here. So we'll see. Having a little trouble here, huh? This is the Basebox. See? Basebox. So today's theme is lucky. How appropriate. There's shamrocks and green shit everywhere. And I have variation BA. Is that what they're calling these variations now down here? I don't know. So let's just get started. Let's jump right in. So we're going to start with this thing. It's the KAB Lip Oil. I remember they put a duo lip and lip liner in one of them one time, and I wasn't too impressed, but especially because of the color, so that could have just thrown me off all the way around. Okay, so let's go ahead and say what this is about. Talk about what this is about. Okay, so KAB Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty, and hello to juicy. Hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. MSRP is $20. Wow, they're really trying to milk that juice thing there. So this one's called Honeydew. And this is what it looks like. This looks interesting. Looks interesting. Looks like something I might be able to use. Okay, well, they might be changing my tune a little bit there. Well, we'll check it out. And then, so next up on the list, we never start at the top. So why start now, right? We're going to go with Maven Beauty, whatever the hell that is. Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Yes, oh my god, I was literally at the end of my rose water spray. Or any of my, you know, pre-sprays or whatever you call them. So, okay, good. That's a bonus point. That is Maven Beauty Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Ooh. Well, I'm all over this one. Oh, I like the way they said set your intentions. Haha. Stop witching around with me. Okay, so that looks promising. Let's go ahead and take a look at the package. And it is 3.38 fluid ounces. I need to smell it. Okay. Well, I am looking forward to trying this one. So we got a good one there. And then next up we have the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. And this is it right here. 3 individually wrapped mask. Let's read a little bit about it. These nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Really? Oh my god, I need this. They're like reading my mind. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress. Treat and relax your under eyes. You deserve it. I'm keeping it. Keeping it. So here it is. I'm not gonna open these. These are wrapped with like a plastic. Besides, I'm not gonna use one right now. So, next on the list, we have Glow Recipe. This is the one that this was my choice, my Boxy choice or whatever. I do remember that much. So, a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy-looking skin. Wow, that sounds like ingestible, but I do not eat it. I'm just saying all those things are healthy for you. So why wouldn't they be healthy for your skin, right? Do not eat it. MSRP is $39. I'm glad I chose this one. This one's a big little container. Nice. I like the packaging. Oh my god, it smells delicious. It smells like a Laffy Taffy, and look at that, how pretty it is and all placed in there like that. It smells exactly like a Laffy Taffy. I don't like banana flavored stuff, but that smells good. So last but not least is the Lime Crime Venus 3. Oh, I was hoping for this little baby. It's Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. This palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold mauve, and earthy brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on rich, pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. Ooh, MSRP is $38. Well, this is mine. And actually, we may have to pay better attention to this one later. Okay, I like the box. Pretty. I've seen these all over the place and I've never had one, and I got one. And this is pretty much, I have other Lime Crime, but I haven't tried it yet. So I think we're gonna have to pay more attention to Lime Crime soon. So stay tuned for that one. I don't know if it'll be this palette or a different one, but yeah, we're gonna test them out. I already got my eye on this color right here. It's a shimmer. So, wow, this is a pretty fantastic box. At first, that KAB oil or whatever, this one was kind of iffy, but this is a pretty good box. I'm not gonna complain. I'm not complaining. And sometimes I do have a complain about Boxy, but there's also times like this where you could just get wonderful boxes, and this was a wonderful box. So I am very happy with my variation. I'm pleased with Boxy this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Tell me about your variation. I'd love to hear about it. What you didn't get, what you wanted. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody stay safe and be well and happy. Thank you. Bye.